And the third virtue I share with you on Ayat al-Kursi, and this is the hadith of Ali radiallahu anhu. Listen to this. Ali radiallahu anhu, he said, ما أرى أحدا يعقل بلغه الإسلام ينام حتى يقرأ آية الكرسي وخواتيم سورة البقرة فإنهما من كنز تحت العرش. الله أكبر. Ali radiallahu anhu, he said, I do not see how it's possible for a sane person who Islam has reached him. I can't see. How can a person dare to sleep without reading Ayatul Kursi and the last ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah? They are indeed a treasure from underneath the arsh. And these words of Ali radiallahu anhu, they take hukm al-rafa'. Hukm al-rafa' means they are the words of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Because words like this can only be said by wahi. What is a treasure? And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is telling us Ayatul Kursi is a treasure from underneath the arsh. What is a treasure? I know when I tell you a treasure, tell me about a treasure. There are three things about a treasure. A treasure is extremely valuable. If a person gets his hand on a treasure box, then know for sure what's in there is extremely, extremely valuable. Number two, when you think about a treasure box, it is acquired without effort. Or is there any effort? Heck, all of a sudden you run by or you cross a treasure box. If you're mining, let's say, or digging, and you find a treasure box, you acquired it with no effort. And the third thing is, a treasure box sustains you for a very long time. If it's very valuable, that's going to sustain you for years and years. And so these ayat, including Ayat al-Kursi and the last two ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah, are as such. They are a treasure, meaning they are extremely valuable. Yani inta imagine Ayat al-Kursi alone, 200 letters, and every letter is 10 hasanat. That's 2,000 hasanat every time you recite Ayat al-Kursi. And you're reciting it 6 or 8 times a day, right? So we're saying 5 after the prayers, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. That's 8 times. That's 16,000 hasanat a day by reading Ayat al-Kursi. Extremely valuable treasure. And you acquired it with no effort. It came down on our Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and it has been recited from 1,400 years ago until this day. It is being recited. Allahu Akbar. Is there anything else that you need so that we prove Islam is the true religion and the religion that Allah chose for mankind? An ayah that has been recited for over 1,400 years and it hasn't changed. It's come down from underneath Al-Arsh. And this is not a normal type of treasure. This is a treasure from underneath the throne of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahu Akbar.